In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from TradingView, providing a step-by-step guide to ensure you get it right. First, let's approach the process by clarifying the role of TradingView in your trading activities. TradingView is essentially a tool for displaying your financial activities and linked broker information. It's important to note that TradingView itself does not handle any funds. So our first step is to open TradingView and review which broker you are connected to. This connection displays where your live positions and balances are being executed. Make sure to take note of the broker name and any account details visible within TradingView. This information is crucial as it helps guide you on which platform to log into next. For example, you might see something like Connected Interactive Brokers, account number MAS. It's this detail that tells you exactly which broker platform you need to head over to, whether it's Interactive Brokers, Coinbase, Tradevate, Webull, or another service. Once you know your broker, open up their website or mobile app directly. It's crucial not to search for any withdraw button on TradingView itself. Log into your broker account using your email, username, and any two-factor authentication you have set up. If you encounter login issues, be sure to use your broker's resources for password recovery or support, as TradingView won't be able to assist with these login conditions. Navigate to the section of your broker's platform that pertains to your account management. It might be labeled as cash management, withdrawals, banking, transfers, or something similar. Here, you'll need to choose the option to withdraw or transfer out funds. If you have multiple sub-accounts, be sure to select the correct one. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, whether that be a bank transfer, wire transfer, PayPal, or even a crypto withdrawal, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, this step requires you to enter the destination or payout details. This means you'll need to provide accurate banking information or external wallet details, so it's essential to double-check account numbers and routing codes to prevent errors. Some brokers may require additional identity verification, such as a photo ID or proof of address, so be prepared to upload any necessary documents if prompted. Once you've filled in all the required information, it's time to review and confirm your withdrawal request. Ensure all amounts, fees, and destination details are correct. Some brokers may require further confirmation through an email, SMS code, or two-factor authentication. After you confirm, save any withdrawal confirmation number or take a screenshot as a record. Begin monitoring your bank account or payment method to verify when the funds arrive. If the broker offers a status page for ongoing transfers, keep an eye on that too. Finally, once you have successfully completed your withdrawal, if you used TradingView initially to place the trade, it's a good practice to return there and refresh your connected account view. This will ensure that your balances in TradingView reflect those in your broker's account, maintaining accuracy across platforms. It's essential to avoid a common mistake where people look for a withdrawal option within TradingView itself. Always remember that withdrawals must be completed via your broker, as TradingView is simply a visual and ordering interface. Following these steps carefully will help ensure a smooth and successful withdrawal process.